Morning. Didn't do much filming last night. Got really dark quick as soon as I got the tent set up. After that bit of sun on the hill behind me. But just sorting stuff out. Got a good bit of my stuff away already. Let's have a look. Bit of condensation. Stick cooked up. As I say, when I was getting the tent up, it just went pitch black, and then the rain came on, so the firewood that was there all wet. But we'll just do a couple of the things and then I'll show you around where I was last night, and then we'll get the tent down, get on our way. We're just before Bridge of Orchy, so that'll be our first stop of the day. Just show you around where I ended up. I've not really had a look around myself yet. Get over there, can we? Somebody's made a little stepping stone. And we have our first people coming towards us. Beautiful look at that river last night. I'll just show you quickly where the tent was. So a good pitch. Not dripping on me. That's just my rubbish bag, keeps my door weighed down so it doesn't blow out. Just to get my mat packed away and then everything in the bag, and then tent in the bag. But look at them beautiful views for the morning. So first lads to pass me in the morning. It's about 7:30. It takes so long to pack up all your bits and bobs, but we're just going to get a wee drink of tea and then drop that, and we'll be out of here, get back to you when the tent's down. So folks, that's where the tent was last night. Stick ready, waiting and going. Sun's just starting to poke through. Beautiful little spot. What did I say yesterday? It stopped saying beautiful. But we're on to Saturday. Just check over the ground. Not left anything. Yes. Leave Scotland tidy. Stupid idea keeping my waterproof jacket on. Need to get that off. I doubt soon. Clear up ahead. Been good so far. A couple of people passed me this morning when I was packing up. Super early birds. Yeah. But should be relatively on my own for this section. Not sure about the next section, but here goes. Definitely get my jacket off in this corner. Thanks for the gun. Orchy train station. That's a new one. Finally at the hotel at the Bridge of Orchy. Very kindly made me an egg roll. Never seen a jar of HP sauce. Let's tuck into this. Oh, that egg roll went down a treat, and then you get a nice affirmation like that. Bridge of Orchy Bridge. It's a bit of a famous bridge. It was in the film The 39 Steps, and way before that, if I'm right, Rob Roy jumped off that bridge into the rapids there to evade the English that were chasing him on his tail. Good bit of history. So, say goodbye to Bridge of Orchy with the sun at our backs. Back on the trail. Got a bit of a climb here, so I'll report back when I'm at the top. So from right, just checked it. The hill I'm walking up to the top of is Milngavie, or Milngavie. Oh, poor.
Got a big heart and an eagle eye. Long middle finger for the reason why. Lost hope, went broke and couldn't cope, just getting high. Turned inside and I wrote it down. Burned alive in this ghost town. Guess that means I'm a ghost now. Guess that means I'm a ghost now. At least I could just float around. Find some peace for my soul to found. No one knows what no one knows. What was never lost was never found. So for all it is, it's one life to live. My dice roll, my bet is gold. My stomach feels I'm gonna win. I took the pen and I wrote it down. Funny how I can focus now. All the points are lining up and all the patterns circle round. It's more than crazy, this roller coaster. But in my lows, I'll let this love boil over. Song for all my friends, sing the song for all my foes. All them times that I bottomed out, all them times that I kept going. So all my friends and all my foes, bottomed out but I kept going. Bottomed out but I kept going. Wrote the song for all my friends, sing the song for all my foes. All the times that I bottomed out, all the times that I kept going. So all my friends and all my foes, bottomed out but I kept going. Bottomed out but I kept going. Bottomed out, but I kept going. Bottomed out, but I kept going.
Sorry.
Bottomed out, but I kept going. Bottomed out, but I kept going.
Oh, beautiful.
Don't think my bike would get up there. Don't think I would either. Happy days. Let's show you. Starting to see Loch Tula now. Still a bit of a climb to go though. I think you can see the path there. Came along this morning. Way back in that corner. Down at the bridge of Orchy. But check this wee mad face out. Oh, big mad face. Oh, zoom out. Good, isn't it? Chest pump. Onwards and upwards. Made it. There's the stone. That stone. Put that back in. View. Check, but from right in seeing, I think that's the writer Ian Fleming's house, James Bond writer. What place to stay, man. So that's where we're going. I think one of them is in Monroe Stuff Curry, the one in with the sharpest peak. Fill up my water bottle here. Definitely. Down, I think, just get a little down it. Drink a whole bottle and just fill up half or something, I don't know. But it's a good few miles to King's house where I'm going to get to today. I'm still behind schedule from that detour last night, yesterday, and because I was really wanting to do the Devil's Staircase today, but I don't think that's going to happen. It's alright. This blackberry bush I've seen. Big strip bare. Might be one good one. I think so. Spot on. Lots of juice on. Oh, a bit more sweet. Swear to God, that caterpillar just tried to bite me. It just went for me like with its face, and it looked like a gunky stuff on me. But it was definitely striking at me. Weird. Might be one of the aliens. Then there, just came off the path with the hill. screwing. Gotta go in the front door, ain't you? Or maybe not. Doesn't seem to be anybody behind me after that bit, and people past me. I let them get a good bit ahead, so I should have a bit of peace and quiet, tranquility. Just had to cook up my lunch there. It's about to faint. Nice place to have your lunch, so. Well, that was a nice wee place for lunch. A couple of more bridges like that, and then there's a wee lock-in. Maybe get a rest there. Bunch of paragliders just jumped off at one of the Monroes. I'll have some view for up there. To go yet. And you can see the path there, just up for them trees. That's where we're going, up and over there. Well, I might be talking fucking absolute bollocks. These roads do get a bit tiring. Not a bit, very tiring. Oh, but look at that, man. You just get better. Right, keep cracking on. Just past that wee lock-in. Just had to stop to get some electrolytes in my water. Got this for coming on the West Island Way. It's a hemp bag made in Hong Kong. There's the name if you can see it. There's that. So I was right. There's the path. I think 450 metres, 440 metres. That's us at the top, 440 metres. Just had a little rest there. Nice, just a bit peace and quiet. Just as I got up, somebody came in the corner behind me, so crack on. Last stop there as well. It's midge heaven. Swarmed them. I was in a place a couple of years ago, the old Kilpatrick Hills, just outside Glasgow. Worst place I've ever been for midges. There was just no let up whatsoever. Watch out there. Right, I'll get us round this corner and then I need to get to the bottom of this. Cracking some miles. Because as usual, always behind schedule. But to be fair, I was an hour behind last night, so I should be a bit further than I am now today. But as I say, it's part of the adventure, and you learn by your mistakes. So, in that corner, hopefully we can see where we're going. Finally seeing Glasgow. Can't wait till we're at the bottom of it. See the back of that. But let's get things this way on the road. It's got to be. I think we'll pick up the trail again up there. Just going to check the map. So folks, we made it to King's house. We just had a look there, Seems like there's a wild camping spot behind this hotel here, the King's House Hotel. So, it says that if you just buy a coffee or whatever, you're free to use the toilets. You can pay £1 for a shower, so I'm right in there. So I think I'm back on track. Check that though when we're in the tent later. Let's get sorted out now and get things charged up and that. It's the barrows, John. Get back to you when I'm asked in the hotel. See what the crack is. Just walk a wee bit further. There's my spot for tonight. I'm trying to source some firewood. Oh, it'll go perfect there. Right there. Where your stick lies. Right in between a river. Beautiful. That's me in the tent. Said before, local Patrick Hills was the worst I've seen with midges. This was on par. They were just eating my face alive. So just had to get the tent up quick and get in it, sorting out my stuff. Had a wee freshen up, clean t-shirt, and then I'm going to go to King's House Hotel, which is outside. Which I'll show you. That's it there. So I think I can get a shower there tonight. Gonna go and try and get a bit of firewood. Get these midges down. Oh, I'll shut this door again and out. Rest my tired feet for a minute. Get back to you when I'm sorted out. Cooking something up or something like that. And I'll show you around. Hiya, pal. It's like right there. Hiya. That's me just feeding up, about 10 o'clock at night. I'm on the Wayfare tonight. Mixed chilli bean, vegetarian. it's the best camping meal I've found. It's gorgeous. Doesn't take no time as well. If you just put a bit of water in the bottom of your pan, doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan either. Just keep stirring. Managed to get a wee fire as well, wee heat. Decent sit on a stone. Happy days. Get back to you when I'm in the tent. Or if I sit at this fire a bit longer. Back in the tent. Had a bit of food. Feel very fresh now after that. In the shower earlier on. Nice wee latte. Had a wee chill at the fire. Done some stargazing. Back in the tent now though, as I say, but had a problem all day with the bag. The Nepal 85 litre. And it's got was pretty comfy to start with. Well, to be honest, when I took it on the south section in February, the back strap system, how it holds it off your back, the support system, these aluminium rods, 2 of them. Well, it was pretty squeaky to start with at the straps. Remember that. And then I seen these were going. Well, I seen that one was going before I came away. And then last night when I set up camp, I realised that both of them were poking through. So all day it's been rubbing on the bottom of my bag, the very bottom, and there's a slight hole here. Just worried about them going right through. So always keep a handy wee pack of just essentials. And I had this in it, some batteries wrapped in duct tape. So gonna try and budget up so that it's gonna last me till I get home. Then I buy a bit of bag. It's definitely not going to keep my green feet forward. So, stuck a bit of duct tape, folded it around the bottom, just to take away that sharpness. I might stick a bit more on that actually, just to see it, tidy that up. But in that pack, got these patches off another airbed I had. Some glue. So I'm going to try and glue some sort of patch here when I get these back in. So I'll need to force them back in and try to get them steady. Might be alright, but it's part of the survival, innit, of being out and about. So I've managed to get tape them up at the ends again. Managed to get the ends back up and across in the stitching behind this bit. That's the best I could do today. Hopefully it'll hold up. If not, I've got another patch I can cut and try and re-glue it again. We'll get back to you before I get my head down.
I don't mean no disrespect, but it's no way. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. She's like a game, no, I don't play. And you was a game before, so now it's no way. No way.